Good day, and welcome to this week's edition of Fireside Chats with Pastor Seth. I hope you're doing well. You know, as we begin to look towards gathering together in person for worship again in the near future, I've been reflecting on the things about worshiping with you all that I miss the most. And you know, one of the things I really miss is the sound of laughter. I miss that sound. The sound of hundreds of people joining together in a common expression of joy. The warmth, the vibrance, the gratitude for simply being together. And when you laugh at my jokes, it also soothes my fragile ego.
My dad never took me fishing, and I've never been fishing, unless you count fishing for compliments, am I right? Speaking of which, do you know why Noah never went fishing? I mean, he spent all that time at sea, but he only had 2 worms. Noah didn't have an easy time of it on that ark. He had to keep all of those animals in line, especially the chickens, you know? They were always using foul language.
But for the past year, I've basically been preaching to an empty room.
You know, it must have been so boring on that ark. I mean, they couldn't even play cards because, you know, Noah was always standing on the deck. But you know, that ark, it was an investment in the future. And Noah, well, he was the greatest investor in the Bible. He was floating his stock when everyone else was in liquidation.
It'll be so good to be with you all together again in worship, even if we can't all gather at once. And I look forward to seeing you on Easter and this spring and in the days beyond. Until then, friends, may you be blessed. May you be a blessing unto others. And I will see you in the wilderness.